Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your seed token on BINGX. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Let's go over to BINGX. Make sure your account is verified. Over to the home page on BINGX, you're going to see markets over there close to the home side. Let me go over to markets. Let me go over there, and here you're going to see the list of crypto. Here there's a lot of coins, a lot of crypto. What you have to do, you have to go over to the search area there by the right corner. Let me go over there, and what you have to do is for you to type the coin which you want. So I'm going to type seed. Let me go over there and type seed. Let me do that right now. So this is seed, and you just have to go over to it. Let me go over to it. Yeah, and this is it. And at this side, at the downside, you're going to see buy and sell. You have to go over to sell since you are selling your seed. Over to this place, they say welcome to sports trading. They're asking you if you're a learner or you're an experienced trader. Let me go over to it. I could like to learn more, showing how you can do it. He said choose a trading spot. Over here they're going to show you how you can do it, but that is a waste of time. So let me just show you how you will do it. And over, you have to go over to sell, which is showing you right there. And at the downside, you're going to see limit. And what you have to do, you have to choose market. You're going to see different options. Since you are selling your seed, you have to go over to market, and at this side you're going to see seed. Make sure it's at seed, not at USDT. And you're going to see amount, which means the amount which you want to sell, the amount of seed you want to sell. You can put in the amount which you want. You can put 100, 1000, 2000, or you can put half of it, or you can put all of the seed which you want to sell. And when you are done with that, you can scroll down here, and it's showing sufficient balance because my seed is not up to that amount. And you can go over to sell seed, and when you are done with that, they're going to send you an BINGX is going to send you an code to your email. You just have to take the code and put it where is needed, and you're going to sell. After you done that, you'll be able to sell your seed coin on BINGX. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.